So this is a torch we're gonna set up. It's called a propane torch. We're gonna do some work with it. So it's gonna be a quickie. I bought this in AutoZone, I think it was. So it comes with the propane torch and the little adapter. So what you do is make sure that it's to the right, which is closed. Left is to open. So make sure it's to the right. So just take off this clip. You take this, then you screw it on. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. That'll be dangerous. Put it on tight. And that's it. You're ready to rock and roll. Oh. So you gotta light it like this. And then you open up a little bit. It's gonna hiss. Like that. And then you're gonna... Good Lord.
One eternity later.
It's on right there. Can't really see it. See it? Okay, there we go. See how hot that is? You put it lower. To lower the thing, and you can put it higher. That's about it. So this is how you set up a propane torch.